A sequence valve is a normally closed pressure control valve that ensures that one operation will occur before another, based on pressure. In our clamp and drill system, we want the clamp cylinder to extend completely before the drill cylinder extends. To accomplish this, we place a sequence valve just before the drill cylinder. We set the valve to 500 psi. This will ensure that the drill will not extend before we have reached 500 psi on the clamp cylinder. Notice that once the drill cylinder has extended, pressure will continue to rise to the system relief setting of 1500 psi. Push the extend or retract button to watch the function of the valve.